codominance. So what do you mean by codominance? It is the inheritance in which both alleles of a gene are expressed in a hybrid. So if they are present in the form of hybrid, both alleles will be equally expressive. The example is the blood group, ABO blood grouping in human. So the ABO blood groups, it is controlled by the gene that is called the GI. So here, if you take the blood group A, they will have a special antigen which is called the antigen A. And if you take blood group B, they have the special antigen that is antigen B. And if you take blood group AB, they will have both antigen A and B. And blood group O, there will be no antigen. That is no antigen A or antigen B. So actually, what does this represent? That is each and every blood group, that is they have the sugar residues. That is this gene I, it controls the production of sugar polymers. That is they have some antigens in the plasma membrane of RBC. So this plasma membrane of RBC, they contain some sugar residues which are responsible for the difference in the antigen A or antigen B. So this gene I, it has actually 3 alleles which are represented as IA, IB and I. So this IA and IB, they produce a slightly different form of the sugar state. So they differ in their antigen that is present, the sugar in the type of sugar that is present. Okay, but this allele I, which is represented as small letter, right? It does not produce any sugar. So for example, this blood group O, so they don't have any sugar.